The ideal project criteria. This is a very useful tool for getting consensus on what are the types of projects you want to take forward as an organisation. How you use the ideal project criteria. The first part is to brainstorm and list all of the key bits which would make the perfect project. A couple of examples of those sorts of things are how well it fits your current strategy, how well a new project may fit your current capabilities, be that in the shape of the people within your organisation and their skill set, or the equipment that you use as an organisation. Other criteria can be things like what scale is the project, what size do you want this to be, how fast you want it implemented, what type of timescales are good for your organisation, what speed will it take. You can look at the cost to implement, how easy it is to implement, and how risky it is to implement. You could also look at things like how well the idea fits the ethics of your business, but to really start to make it look like innovative projects, if that is what we're looking for, set yourself some challenging goals. Things like commercially, how does this get us into new markets? What is new about this new service? Ultimately, what's the uniqueness of this idea and how well that fits with the appetite of the business? You can then rank and weight for relative importance and use that as a template for agreement across the business for this and for communication of the types of ideas that you're looking for. Using that criteria, you can then evaluate ideas to the perfect project. How well does it fit those ideas? And the better it fits, the more appropriate it is to take forward. You can do that either by scoring the projects against the criteria, weighting the projects against the criteria. This also helps when you're deciding which projects should be prioritised if you have limited resources. The higher the scoring, the more appropriately that it fits the criteria, the more likely that idea should be taken forward. In summary, the ideal project criteria is a great way to build communication across the organisation, build understanding of what type of projects the organisation is looking for, and gives you a way to validate ideas and decide which ones to take forwards and which ones to lose.